I like the teamwork. I love how Boss is just like always the boss.
I know.
He's like everyone's his bitch.
Yeah, I know. Like, why don't you switch positions if he knows how to hold it? I was just gonna put it on his head. Nah. Oh, I'm gonna catch it. Run. This is gonna be hilarious. Do it. Run. This is the worst kite flying ever. That was a good one.
See the Greek run with his rainbow flag high in the sky.
He's gay and proud.
He is very gay and proud. Good job, Frank. He's flying his rainbow flag high.
Never seen Boss move that fast. Ever. He's getting ready for the hike tomorrow.
Did you notice that it's rainbow?
No.
He's gay and proud.
He's gay and proud, flying his kite.
Oh, the kite, yeah.